Hello guys, so right in front of me is Mi Band 7 and I thought I should tell you that how you can recalibrate your battery, because sometimes over time when you are charging and discharging, the Mi Band battery life can go down, and the consequence is that you get lesser backup, maybe less than a week. So let me tell you how you can recalibrate your battery so that you get almost 10 plus days out of your band. So let's stay tuned till the end. But first you need to completely discharge your band, and this one is complete discharge, and I put it for like 2 hours extra even after discharge. So guys, after that I fully charged the band to 100%, as you can see. And the thing that you need to note is that I charged it with an adapter, not with your laptop or something else. This is an adapter, and your band should support 1 ampere of charger, not more than that, because excess power can damage the battery. But 1 ampere is enough, and well, you need to charge it fully. So my advice is that you should leave it for charging for more than like 8 hours. And the reason behind that is that the battery IC can get fully calibrated, and in case there is any error in the IC, that can be cleared. And this can work for all of the Mi bands, including the previous versions like Mi Band 6, Mi Band 5, Mi Band 4. And currently I've done this on Mi Band 7, and it really works, and I've got a better battery now. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more of such content and a lot more about the Mi bands, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be looking forward. Thank you.